Okay. Another trap is the, sorry, basket trap is over. Another is the pond net. Pond net, it is also used in shallow water. So this, just like another trap, we are guiding the fish towards the net and making them unable to escape from the trap. So we are providing some kind of arrangement so that fishes will enter but not able to come out from the net or trap. Then sixth classification is fishing in air or aerial trap. Here, those fishes which is having a habit of flying, कुछ मछलियां ऐसी होती हैं जिसको जंपिंग करने का मीन्स हैबिट होता है. The fishes which are jumping in behavior or flying in behavior, that type of fishes is captured by use of this aerial trap. So what we have to do, we have to, you can see here, we have to see, this is your river. Okay, this is the river. So here we have to provide a barrier made up of this mesh, मीन्स नेट का हम बैरियर लगाते हैं. तो फिशेस क्या होंगे, वो क्या करेंगे, उनका जंपिंग बिहेवियर, जैसे उसके रास्ते में ऑब्स्टिकल आएगा वो हमारा जंप करेंगे. सो व्हाइल जंपिंग इट मे फॉल ऑन दिस स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज आल्सो मेड अप ऑफ नेट. एक हमारा वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में हमारा ऑब्स्टिकल है और दूसरा ऊपर में हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में. सो सपोज फिशेस हमारा स्ट्राइक करता है ऑब्स्टेकल को, तो वो क्या करेगा, जंप करेगा. जंप हो करके जो हमारा ऊपर का स्ट्रक्चर है, इस वाले स्ट्रक्चर पे जाकर के वो बस कैच हो जाएगा, पकड़ में आ जाएगा. सो फिशेस विल, यू कैन सी हियर दिस jumping behavior. Fishes is moving into this direction and one obstacle is provided into this path direction. So fishes is jumping from the water and falling in this gear or trap, you can see. So here fish will fall and here it will be captured. So this area fishes will be captured, not in this area. So this is the another kind of fishing method or fishing gear. Then another different kinds of trap is also there, that means aerial traps. Generally क्या होते हैं, जिस one kind of veranda net is there. Veranda net, that area we are encircling, ठीक है. इंसर्टिंग के बाद में जाकर के बीच में हम क्या करते हैं, वाइब्रेशन करते हैं. If we are doing a vibration, because the fish, those fishes which are having a jumping behavior in nature, वो jumping करते हैं. Jumping करेंगे तो at that times ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है, इस स्ट्रक्चर में जाकर के वो कैप्चर हो जाएंगे. So box trap is there, raft trap is there, boat trap is there, veranda net is there, scoop net for jumping fishes, a pitfall trap. Different kinds of trap is there. Basically, it is used to catch fishes which are jumping behavior in nature. Okay. This is another one. This is one box trap. You can see by this mouth, fishes enter. And here bait is there. So there means ultimately we are guiding the fish towards the bait. But because of the means fish which is attracted towards the baits, when they are entering mechanism is very simple. But if once the fish enters into that trap, it is very difficult to come out from the trap. So they will forget, because here mouth opening is very small and here it's a large. That's why. Then another is the bag net. Bag net, basically this is operated into the running water. Bag net is operated into the running water. So you can see several bag net, conical shaped bag net is there. So here horizontal opening of the mouth, that means if this net is there, so net is having two kinds of mouth opening. One is horizontal, another one is vertical. In horizontal opening, how we are maintaining? Horizontal opening we are maintaining with the help of current, water current. वाटर करंट अगर मतलब वाटर इधर जा रहे हैं तो अपने आप उसका माउथ जो है ओपन हो जाएगा. बट वर्टिकल ओपनिंग जो है उसका, जो हम ये फ्रेम है मेड अप ऑफ ए वुडन और सम अदर स्ट्रक्चर, सो वर्टिकल ओपनिंग वी आर मेंटेनिंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्रेम. अंडरस्टूड? सो अगर वाटर हमारा वाटर हमारे इस नेट की तरफ जाएंगे along with fish, at the end जो है fishes will be collected, that will be captured here. So this is the bag net. Then another bag net example is scoop net. You can see this scoop net. Scoop net is there. This is push net. Push net में क्या है, हमको मतलब वाटर को फिल्टर करके और ऊपर उठाना है. So that is the push net. We have to means net को पानी में डाल करके उठाना है. That is the push net. Then another one is the gap net without wings on a stake and on anchor. So this gap net is, you can see here, this is again a frame, and this is your gap net. Another one is with wing and one is without wing. So this is the stake. This is a stake. Mouth opening we are maintaining with the help of stake or frame. At the end there will be a weight that is called as anchor. Then the net which is having means bigger, so they have to be fixed with a wing. Side से हम दो side panel लगा देंगे. So that is the wing. So that will be on a stake. Back side there will be anchor, and there will be a two otter boat. Otter boat it will come. So otter boat generally we are using for horizontal opening of the mouth. गियर का नेट का अगर horizontal opening of the mouth को maintain करना है, then we have to use otter boat. So this is the bag net. Then eighth classification is dragged gear. Dragged gear, generally what we are using, we are dragging the gear into the water. We are dragging the gear into the water. So if we are dragging the gear into the water, water will be filtered. But whatever the fish will be there, it will be captured in our net. It will be captured in our gear. So generally this, you can see here, the fisherman is there. So on the shore, in pond also we are using this drag gear. बड़े जो तालाब है हमारा, तालाब में if you want to catch a whole stock, then we have to use a drag gear. So water will be filtered, and whatever the fish will be there, it will be captured. Okay. Then another dragged gear example is that dredges. Dredges क्या है? Basically we are operating at the bottom. जो bottom dwelling organism है, if you want to collect, if you want to catch a bottom dwelling organism, then we have to use a dredger. Dredger or dredges. So dredges is two kind. One is hand operated, another one is boat operated. But basically we are using a boat operated dredges because we require a power. You can see here example, boat is there and several dredges is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, total 8 dredges is there. So at the mouth of the dredging, there will be a teeth-like structure. So they will, जो soil है, sorry, that sand है, उस सैंड पोर्शन को क्या करते हैं, अंदर से उठाते हैं, क्योंकि बॉटम ड्वेलिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है कुछ पार्ट्स, कुछ बॉटम ड्वेलिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है हमारा सैंड में छिपे रहते हैं. सो वी हैव टू dredge the sand and then it will be captured into this gear or net made up of a thicker twine. So oyster, clams, mussels, all are captured here. Then another example is the dragged gear, is the bottom trawl or mid-water trawl. This is most commonly used in our country, trawl fishing. Trawl fishing, you can see trawl fishing, bottom trawl, this is example, you can see this trawl is there, it's a conical shaped bag net. So we are operating by this boat. So this is called a trawler. We are having a warp. Warp is there and this is bridle. This is connected to the otter boat. This is the otter boat and this otter boat is connected to the two side wings, and then we are towing into the water. So during towing you can see here, ये मछली क्या है, इसमें जाकर के फिल्टर होकर के, पानी तो फिल्टर हो जाएंगे, मछली जाकर के कॉर्डिन में जाकर के फंस जाएंगे. So this is the mid water trawl and this is the bottom water trawl. Bottom trawl is operated at the bottom and mid water trawl is operated in the mid water area. That's why it is called as bottom trawl or mid water trawl. I think I have to close here because power gone and now UPS is warning me to shut down my system. Okay?
Yes.
Rest of
Yes,
the parts we will cover in next class.
Okay.
Any confusion, then you can ask.
No, sir.
Anyone?
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, how do we decide that a particular type of gear is used in shallow water or running water? I'm having little confusion.
For that you have to know which gear is used in means running water or which gear used in shallow water. Generally traps, hand line, pole line, then cast net, then dip net, lift net, Chinese dip net. These are operated into the shallow water. Large fishing gear generally used in the larger water, deeper water. Some gear, say for example, this stow net is there, fight net is there, bag net is there. They are operated into the running water. For that you have to remember.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Which one is operated in means running water and which one is operated in shallow water. Anyone? Anyone? I'm closing in.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, because it is warning, otherwise it will be